Hi, my name is Ashish Mahajan. Welcome to my YouTube channel MSCRM 2011 Awesomeness. Today I will be speaking something about Microsoft Dynamics CRM 2011, the limitations of Dynamics CRM Online versus the on-premises version. Why companies prefer Dynamics CRM 2011 Online? There might be many reasons why companies prefer Dynamics CRM 2011 Online as compared to the on-premises one. Among these, the prominent are to avoid investing in the hardware and software required for on-premises version. Also, on-premises needs a dedicated team of managers, BAs, and developers to maintain the whole CRM framework. If an enterprise is small to medium scale, it makes sense for it to go for cloud version and pay only for the actual use. Companies feel more secure on cloud. Having their dynamic CRM database on cloud might be safer because it is constantly backed up without fail. Microsoft Azure has many backup and fail-safe mechanisms working round the clock. It is seen that most threat to the data comes from internal employees, and this is not the problem anymore on cloud. Another reason favoring Microsoft Dynamics CRM Online is that it can be accessed 24/7 and anywhere around the world. The company employees need an active internet connection and just an Internet Explorer to access the Dynamics CRM Online. Why companies don't prefer Dynamics CRM 2011 Online? There are various reasons why enterprises never want to have the cloud version of MS CRM 2011. Some of the times, the companies move back from cloud to on-premises Dynamics CRM. Some of the prominent reasons are slow internet connection in the countries where the companies operate could be a major problem. One of the requirements is to have an active internet connection. A fast connection always helps. There are some technical limitations to Microsoft Dynamics CRM 2011 Online as compared to the on-premises version. Companies would like to have full control over the technical development around Dynamics CRM 2011. Companies and their management are still not comfortable putting their sensitive data, whether it's a business data or a client data, on the cloud. Medium to large organizations don't mind investing in hardware and software. These enterprises have cash to employ people and set up an internal software department. Many companies still like to stick to the old model of having everything in-house. If companies don't have their own in-house IT department, they prefer a local consultancy firm to handle their CRM infrastructure. Companies still prefer to see someone physically present as compared to having a virtual presence in the cloud. Limitations of Dynamics CRM Online versus on-premises. There are few limitations of Dynamics CRM 2011 Online. Many of them are due to the nature of being on cloud. If you ask my opinion, the advantages of being on cloud far outweigh the small number of limitations it possesses. These limitations are: there is a limitation to maximum number of custom entities that can be created. Looking at the brighter side, this limitation is practically very high. Rarely can any of the enterprise level CRM 2011 projects max out this limit of custom entities. You have to pay for every GB of database usage. If your CRM 2011 has significant file attachment requirements, then the database size could go in terabytes. To minimize these costs, company can use a document storage solution such as SharePoint 2010 along with online Dynamics CRM 2011. Dynamics CRM Online doesn't support custom workflow activity assemblies. The business rules and functionality which you intend to run should be put inside a plugin. Fully trusted plugins are not supported. Whenever you create a plugin for Dynamics CRM Online, always test your plugins in sandbox mode. Dynamics CRM Online only support plugins to run in sandbox mode. Custom ASPX pages are not supported for customizing Dynamics CRM Online. Custom SSRS reports, which are based on TSQL and filtered views datasets, are not supported. Dynamics CRM 2011 Online only supports Fetch XML based custom reports. TSQL gives you much more flexibility as compared to Fetch XML. The conclusion is, I would like to emphasize that the limitations of Microsoft Dynamics CRM 2011 Online are very few as compared to the many benefits it provides. These benefits span from technical to financials. You can have your own dedicated Dynamics CRM 2011 on Microsoft Cloud in less than 5 minutes. You will be paying only for what you need. You don't have to worry about backups anymore. Microsoft hardware and software setups will take care of the backups. You don't have to employ a team of CRM administrators. Microsoft team will take care of all your needs. On top of these benefits, your whole Dynamics CRM 2011 infrastructure sits on the solid foundation of Azure framework. Thank you all for looking at my PowerPoint presentation on Dynamics CRM 2011 online versus on premises. Thanks, bye.